In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve PSC 2014 MCQs, that is a group of this order is not guaranteed to be abelian. Solution theorem, that is theorem number 1, every group of prime order is cyclic group. Theorem number 2, that is every cyclic group is an abelian group. Theorem number 3, that is every group of order p square is abelian group. These theorems suggest that the groups of order equal to 5 is a prime number, so prime order, that is abelian group. Option A not correct. Next, option B, that is 9 is the square of 3, so 3 square is equal to 9, that is abelian group. Satisfy theorem number 3. Next, D option, 16 is the square of 4, so 4 square is equal to 16, so 16 satisfy theorem number 3, that is p square. Next, option C equal to 125, so 125 is the cube of 3, so 5 cube is equal to 125, so 125 is not guaranteed to be abelian. Option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.